Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is Dogg, and this is my kitchen, where I'll be bringing you affordable restaurant quality food, or better, from my home to yours. So let's get cooking. Okay guys, on the chopping block today we're going to be making us some great northern beans with some ham. A power pressure cooker plus XL, and I'm going to be cooking in this. And these are the great northern beans right here. I didn't use the whole bag. I just wanted to show you guys what I was using. So this is like a 2-pound bag. Alright. Now what we got here, we got 2 bay leaves right here. They kind of twisted up or whatever. I have some chicken broth, 2 of these, and these like 2 pounds. Let's see, let me make sure. Yep, they're 2 pounds. So that's a total of 4 pounds. I'm gonna have to see how much water I'm gonna need to put in there. All right, here's some seasoning. This is a no salt seasoning. I'm gonna put that in there, and I'll put some granulated garlic, some granulated onion, and some lemon pepper seasoning. All right, so this is what you want to do. I'm gonna go ahead and pour this water out. Pour these up in here, just like that. And you guys make sure you check your beans, because you don't want any put any like rocks or anything like that that ain't supposed to be in there. And put those bay leaves in there. Go in here with this chicken broth. And cook this for about an hour, because I don't want my ham to fall apart. Okay. So matter of fact, you know what I'm going to do? I just thought about it. I am going to throw this ham in there, and then after an hour, then I'll just take it out. So this is the ham. It's a lot of meat on there. Trust and believe. So I'm just going to kind of like, I wish I would have put it in there the first time, but hey. Just like kind of nestle it in there like that. Throw this bag away because I'm done with it. Alright. Put this other chicken broth. So I guess it's just going to be 2 pounds, because it seems like it's enough. So it's a total of 4 pounds of chicken stock, or chicken broth, or whatever you want to call it. So it tastes pretty good. So I'll show you how that looks in there. See that? If I need some more, I'll put some more in there. We'll kind of like put this to the side over here. Put like a maybe a, we go with like, this is garlic, okay, let me make sure. So a teaspoon of that. The onion, I'm gonna put a tablespoon of that. And a teaspoon of lemon pepper. Just sprinkle around. That's it on that. And we're gonna go with a tablespoon of this no salt seasoning, or salt-free seasoning. Yeah, just like that. Alright. So I mean, you could put some other stuff in there, but I don't want a lot of different stuff in there, because the ham gonna have some salt to it. You know what I'm saying? So I'm not gonna worry about all that. So we're just gonna go ahead and kind of like put it back in here, and take it in there in about an hour. Check on it. I might do some corn cakes or something with this or something. Alright, see you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I'm just releasing the pressure now on this thing. It takes a while. When it get done, I'll tell you what we got. See you in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. We just gonna go ahead and look at this, see what we got. There's excess water out there. Stir this up. Looks like it's cooking pretty good. Check out this meat. See what that's like. Pretty good. I have a taste some of this broth. See what that tastes. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's real good. I'm gonna enjoy this tonight. I'm gonna just take a pinch of sugar, put it in there, just to balance it out. Don't be scared to use sugar, people. Please don't be scared. So it's probably like a quarter of that. All right. So now I'm gonna take me some butter. Like a tablespoon of butter. Put that in there. We're gonna cook it some more. I think I might leave the lid off because I don't think it's gonna need all that. So we put it on saute. We'll let that kind of like cook by itself. So we're getting close to being done here. Okay guys, we're gonna go ahead and let that cook a little bit longer. And then I'll be back in a minute. That's what it's doing. I did take the ham out because I don't want to overcook it. So I'll probably chop that up a little bit. And just let this thicken up a little bit. If you want to, you can put some starch in it. That's why I put the butter in it. But I don't want all the extra starch because I'm frying some chicken too. So I'll show you guys what this look like when it get done. Alright, see you in a minute. Okay guys, I'm done. Those are Great Northern beans and a Power Cooker Plus XL. They taste pretty good. I taste them already. And guys, please give me a like, a share, comment, and please subscribe to this channel. Tell all your friends and family to tune in to Dogg's Kitchen, where we'll be bringing you affordable restaurant quality foods or better, from my home to yours. And please guys, hit that bell. Hit that bell for me. Let me know who you are. And I'll see you guys next time. Dogg's Kitchen in a minute.